Okay, so express it in this form. So part I would halve that and get x plus 4 all squared, and that is, to work out what that is, that gives me x squared plus 8x plus 16. I didn't want to have plus 16, I only wanted to have plus 15, so I need to take away 1. That's how I do it. And that now it is in that form, just check. Part 2. Hence, it means from this, state, when this question says state, it means there's actually no working out to be done, the vertex of this curve. Just check it's exactly the same. It is exactly the same. So the vertex that is, the minimum value will be minus 1. So the y coordinate is going to be minus 1. And when is it minus 1? Well, if x is minus 4. If x is minus 4, this first bit becomes 0, and you square 0, you get nothing. So the vertex is minus 4, minus 1. Part 3, solve this inequality. Well, first off, and that again is the same as I've got here. So I'm going to find the roots first. So I'm going to have x, that bit equals 0. So basically x plus 4 squared minus 1 equals 0. So x plus 4 squared equals 1. So x plus 4 equals, square rooting both sides here, square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. And so then take away 4, that'll give me that x equals minus 4 plus or minus 1. So x equals minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, or minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. But that tells me where the roots are. I've got to solve the inequality about when it is greater than 0. I'm always going to draw myself a little sketch. I know my two roots now are minus 5 and minus 3. And I've got an x squared, so it's going to be a u-shaped curve, like so. And it's going to, I want it greater than 0, so I want it to, where is it above the line? So it's above the line all the way there and all the way there. So therefore I'm going to have x is less than minus 5, or x is greater than minus 3. And actually you can see from here, I've also can see my axis of symmetry on where the vertex is. That will be minus 4. So I'm doing this little check here. I've actually checked part 2 as well. Final thing, if you put and down instead of or, you'd have lost the mark, because the number can't be less than -5 and greater than minus 3, but it could be one or the other. Can't be both at the same time. That's question 8 done.